Maggie? Maggie? Who's that? Gonna go for a walk? Maggie? You going for a walk? Go for a walk? Go for a walk, Maggie? Go for a walk? Come on. Come on. Oh. Can't track Maggie. So Maggie 2020, the Autotune Dog with almost 10 million views. Who would have thought that something that I just did for kicks one afternoon when I was looking after the kids staying at home, that it would blow up into this. And so many years later, and the way the algorithm works and all that kind of stuff. And anyways, I just wanted to let everybody know who asks how Maggie's doing and if she's still alive. And she's very much alive. She's 12 years old and enjoying her old age. And I haven't done much auto-tuning lately, and I don't plan on continuing, but maybe just a little for now. So Maggie's fine, and so are we. Peace.